Welcome to our presentation on the three-dimensional approach to Forex trading. Today, we'll explore how this innovative strategy can help you navigate the complex world of currency trading with greater confidence and success. At its core, the three-dimensional approach involves analyzing the Forex market from multiple perspectives: relational, fundamental, and technical. By taking these different factors into account, traders can gain a more comprehensive understanding of the market and make more informed decisions about when to buy, sell, or hold their positions. Relational analysis is a powerful tool that can be used to gain insights into the relationships between different currencies, markets, and economies. By analyzing these relationships, traders can identify potential opportunities and risks, and make more informed trading decisions. For example, if a trader notices that the value of the US dollar tends to rise when oil prices are high, they might use this knowledge to inform their trading strategy. They could look for opportunities to buy the US dollar when oil prices are expected to rise, and sell it when oil prices are expected to fall. This is just one example of how relational analysis can be used in Forex trading. Fundamental analysis is a method of evaluating a currency's value based on economic, financial, and other qualitative and quantitative factors. It involves analyzing economic indicators such as GDP, inflation rates, interest rates, and employment data to determine the strength or weakness of a particular currency. One example of using fundamental analysis in Forex trading is examining the interest rate differentials between two currencies. If one country has a higher interest rate than another, investors may flock to that currency to earn higher returns. As a result, the currency with the higher interest rate may appreciate in value compared to the other currency. This is just one example of how fundamental analysis can be used to inform Forex trading decisions. Technical analysis is the study of past market data, primarily price and volume, to identify patterns and make predictions about future market movements. By analyzing charts and graphs, traders can identify trends, support and resistance levels, and other important indicators that can help them make informed trading decisions. One of the key benefits of technical analysis is its ability to provide traders with a visual representation of market data. Charts and graphs allow traders to quickly and easily identify trends and patterns that may not be apparent from simply looking at numerical data. Additionally, technical analysis can be used in conjunction with other approaches, such as fundamental analysis and relational analysis, to create a comprehensive trading strategy. Now that we have explored each approach in detail, let's see how they can be combined to create a powerful Forex trading strategy. By using a three-dimensional approach, traders can gain a more comprehensive understanding of the market and make better informed decisions. For example, a trader may use fundamental analysis to identify undervalued currencies, technical analysis to determine entry and exit points, and relational analysis to evaluate the overall market sentiment. By combining these approaches, the trader can create a well-rounded strategy that takes into account both short-term fluctuations and long-term trends. In conclusion, we have learned about the three-dimensional approach to Forex trading, which combines relational, fundamental, and technical analysis to create a comprehensive strategy for success in the market. Each approach has its own unique strengths and weaknesses, but when used together, they can provide a more complete picture of market trends and help traders make more informed decisions. By adopting a three-dimensional approach to Forex trading, traders can increase their chances of success and minimize the risks associated with relying on a single approach. So, if you're serious about succeeding in the Forex market, consider incorporating all three approaches into your trading strategy and watch your profits soar. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one.